In the criminal justice system, the people are represented by two separate yet equally important groups: the police who investigate crime and the district attorneys who prosecute the offenders. These are their stories.
So we know what you went through is extremely tough. So if there's any questions that are too hard for you to answer, please let me know. And that way we can move on to the next question. Keep in mind that the more you tell us, the better chances we are of getting these men locked up for good. So I'll have you start with telling your story, and then we'll ask some follow-up questions about the specifics. Does that sound okay?
Yeah, that works for me.
Luckily enough, my prayers and wishes were finally answered. The day the police raided and came and saved all of us girls. They came and arrested the man in charge of the entire operation, and as well as the ringleaders who supported him. I remember that day as if I was just saved earlier today.
I don't remember him. I don't remember seeing him. I don't remember how I ended up there, other than everything going black. It was so blurry to me, but I remember looking up and seeing his face. And that very same face would haunt me for the next 10 years.
Thank you again for agreeing to come here and speak with me. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Hopefully, by telling my story, I could save another girl's life, save them from the pain, suffering, and regret that came from mine.
He was eager to get his hands on me, to do as he pleased, and as if I was a piece of meat and he was hungry for my flesh. I felt disgusting, and I didn't even know what had already happened to me.
Well, I was about 16 at that time, very young age, and I honestly didn't know what I was getting myself into or what I was being forced to do.
He whispered, "You're mine now." He let go of my hair as I dropped back down to the ground. I felt my whole world shatter as I landed against the cement.
I was paralyzed with fear. The only thing I was able to muffle was, "Where am I? Where am I? Where am I?" He never gave me an answer, though.
He was looking down at me as I lay there, naked on the ice-cold, dirty floor. We locked eyes, and it felt as though he could see my soul, and look through me all at the same time.
There were many times when I was almost killed. If I refused to do what they told me, one of them just would come back drunk and threaten me with his sword. Others would just simply arrive drunk and have intercourse with me.
As he got closer to me, I felt my body tighten to prepare for what was about to happen.
This sort of behavior was more a threat to make me submissive to their desires and give them satisfaction.
May it please the court, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. I'm Jack Kelly, an attorney at counsel law for the people.
May it please the court and the people of the jury. My name is Vincent Rollings, counsel for the defendant.
What makes Mr. Bateman exceptionally criminal and low is his business. On the streets, his nickname is Mr. Iceberg.
What is not true is that he is a pimp and quote-unquote rapist.
He's not a joke, he's a don.
She is just a former work acquaintance from Bateman's.
He entraps helpless peers that this pimp should face justice.